Hello, welcome back. So in this video, I will be explaining what school information is and how to set it up. So I'll click on school information. So to add your school information, you click on add school here. So this is basically where you set up the basic information for your school, like your school name here, your school slogan, let's say for example in God we trust, then your student registration number format, let's say for example your school name slash the year the student is being admitted into the school, then slash the student class number, then your school email address, your school phone number, your school hotline, a number where people can call consistently and they will get attended to, payment enquiries, a number people can call for payment enquiries if that's applicable to your school. Then you upload your school logo here. To upload the logo, you click on choose file. Then you upload. Then you look for the logo on your PC. You upload it. Then your school address, passport header address also. Then which section of the school is this applicable to. So, you know, some schools would have primary schools and secondary school, and the primary school has a different name compared to the secondary school. So here you have different sections of schools. So you click which of the school this information is applicable to. Let's say it's applicable to just junior secondary school. Then I'll click on submit. So this is basically how to add the information for your school. Thank you.